Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give you a solid review on appspatched.com. So here it is. The appspatched.com is a website that offers modified or hacked version of popular mobile games, promising features like unlimited in-game currencies or unlocked content. While it may appear inching itching or there are significant concerns regarding its legitimacy and safety. So let's reveal if it's legit or scam. Key concerns about appspatch.com: low users ratings and negative reviews. Scam advisors assigns appspatch.com a low trust score with an average users rating of 1.3 out of 5 based on their reviews. Users have reported experience of being scammed and including significant financial losses. Then associations with high risk register. The site is registered through Namecheap, a register noted for a high percentage of spam and fraudulent websites. This association raises questions about the site's credibility, potential for malware and data theft. Downloading and installing modified applications from unofficial sources like Appspatched.com can expose your device to malware, viruses, and spyware. This can compromise personal data, including login credentials and financial information. Lack of transparency. The website does not provide clear information about its operators, physical location, or contact details. This lack of transparency is a common trait among scam advisors. Technical aspects. SSL certificates. The site uses a valid SSL certificate issued by Google Trust Service, which ensure encrypted communications between your browser and the website. However, SSL certificates do not guarantee the site's overall safety or legitimacy. Domain age. Registered in 2020, the domain has been active and several years. While longevity can be a positive sign, it's not definite. Proof of legitimacy, especially when other red flags are present. Here is recommendation for users. Avoid downloading from unofficial sources. To protect your device and personal information, refrain from downloading apps from unverified websites. Use official app store. Stick to trusted platforms like Google Play Store or Apple Store there for downloading applications. Install secure softwares. Ensure your device has up-to-date antiviruses and anti-malware softwares been detected and prevent potential threats. Be skeptical to too good to be true. Offers promises of free in-game currencies or unlock feature without any cost. Offers tactics used by scam sites to lure users. So as I have just give you the information about this website is actually indicating the scam. So it is a type of scam. So you should be aware with your game account and your personal information. I don't recommend you to give any type of personal information on this website to get the patch of your application for a free currencies. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.